Hello everyone, this is Nasan Technology. Welcome to our channel. Many people worry about that if the laser machine will hit the phone inside part to cause many problems. For example, the frame scratching, or the back camera not working, or Face ID disabled. And what will cause such a problems? Is that because of the laser machine or the drawings? Today, we will teach you how to avoid such a problem 100%. I'm going to show you with our new laser machine RS2. And it is very simple. We just need two-step verification. We need to confirm that the red line match with laser. First, we need to put the testing black paper on the workbench, press autofocus, and then let's go to the software. We need to draw a square in the software, and then click F2, mark on the black paper. And then we need to click the red line to check whether the red line matches the mark on the paper. We need to check the phone. We need to put the phone on the workbench, click autofocus, and then go to the software. We need to open the corresponding drawing, check the edge and the camera of the drawing by the red line, and we need to see if they are matched with the phone or not, especially the frame and the camera lens. And here is the point. When we check the drawing by red line, it shows like this. It's moving so fast, and we cannot recognize it well if we just click the red line. So we need to operate as follows. It could help you check the drawing much more easier and see it clear. Click the drawing, find and click the delete on the left side here. So you can see this is the drawing without filling. Click the edge and let's click the red line. We can see it shows only the edge of the phone now. And then we can check the camera ring. Click the camera ring and check if it matches with the phone or not. Yes. After all this checking, we can select the whole drawing. Click the fill here on the top of the software to fill it back. So that's all. And after you have checking all this, you can just click the save button, and you no need to do such of calibration in the future. Once you confirm the above two steps, we can ensure that your laser machine will never damage your phone. And we have two tips for you. 1. Never move that fixture by yourself. Second, when you find the location of the drawing is not correct, you can try to adjust the position by yourself. You can check it according to the video above. And if you have further questions, you can contact your supplier, and we will be glad to help. We will show you more details and tips about the laser machine in the coming future. Please leave us a message if you have any other question. And thanks for the watching, and hope it could help. See you next time.